guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today's video is really interesting, guys. You know what? Because I am doing street food challenge and I have this budget with me that is 500 rupees. So I'll show you in 500 rupees how much I can eat in Gangtok, you know. Especially I'm just covering the main town, that is Lal Bazaar, and in and around MD Mark. So I'll show you the way and I'll show you the prices and the place, and yeah, I hope I will be so full. And on top of that, I am on my diet, and it doesn't sound good and real, but yes, I'm on diet, but I'm planning to extend my days of working out challenge. So let's see how it will go. And I'm so thankful to my friend Sweetie who's holding the camera right now. So first we are going to Chacha's place. Chacha's place is one of the most known place in Sikkim. All the students, even the, you know, not just student, even the, I think most of the people, 80% of people in Sikkim, they know Chacha's Aloo Chura. So today we're gonna try Chacha's Aloo Chura, and this place is in Tibet Road, and I'll show you where is it. So let's go. You need to be very careful about the traffic here. This is Chacha ko place, guys. Come. Chacha, तपाईले कति भयो बनाएको यहाँ आलु चिउरा? यहाँ चाचा तपाईले कति भयो बनाएको आलु चिउरा? कति वर्ष जस्तो लगभग चाहिँ? 70 वर्ष है? अम्बो, मान्छे आउँछ जान्छ, चाचा चाहिँ यही हुन्छ. So guys, this is aloo chura we are talking about. The extra flavor is mama. अझै एउटा हालिदिनुहोस् न. कति रुपियाँ भयो चाचाजी? 20 रुपियाँ. 20 rupees for this. I used to come here a lot when I was in my school time. That is like 2011 and 12. Yeah, it used to cost 5 rupees back then, but now it's 20 rupees. Of course, we are talking about inflation here. But the taste is good. The taste is same. I'm done, guys.
Eater.
So if you are in Gangtok or Sikkim, make sure to come and check it out. It is really nice, and the price is also reasonable.
Did you use?
So guys, I've just used 20 rupees. Now I'm left with 480 rupees. Now we are going towards Children Park, where we'll have laughing, and the reasonable laughing you'll get there. So come. This is the way that you need to enter.
I think it's your.
This is the one.
I think.
This is the one. We have just reached the place, and
34.
the store number is 34. So you just come and enjoy your laughing here. Let's go. Enter from this gate. You have to take a left, and this is the store number 34. For one plate it will cost you 50 rupees. To all the laughing lovers.
Sunflower seed. Dry garden.
Like dry or soupy? So yeah, you'll get dry and soupy both. You'll go to the restaurant and all, it will cost you like 110 and 80. according to the restaurant or cafe, but here you get in 50 rupees. So this laughing will taste by my friend Sweetie. Yeah. Whoa. It's done. Oh, yeah. How did you like it? It's spicy.
Give it a try.
Right.
It's not that.
It's not that spicy, guys. It's more spicy for you. I know मैले त हाल्दैन नि त्यो. Now I'm left with 430 rupees. In Children Park only, this is another fast food that last time I had tea momo and you guys loved it. This is fast food. Taste once. So guys, to be honest, the laughing that we had just now, it was not great, but it was okay. Okay, when you go to other cafes and restaurants, you get better one. But with the price they are like quoting for their laughing, it's okay, right? It's not great, I'll not say great, but it's okay. Okay, so just don't get your hopes high. Just if you want to taste, come and taste it, just go for it. And now here we are in another fast food, and it's in the Children Park only, and I have tried their tea momo before, and you guys were like asking me where it was. It's in Children Park, and they serve beverages, chili, momos, and yeah, last time I had tea momo with aloo, and look at the prices, it's so reasonable. And they have local dishes, guys: thukpa, shafale, lawa, gyema, sausages, roti, rice with curry, and I think the price is so reasonable, so you must come.
It is served.
ओके गाइज, सो यहाँ हामीसँग चाहिँ मिस्टर रमेश हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँ चाहिँ यहाँको फास्ट फुड अनर है. अन्त तपाईँहरूको रेस्टुरेन्ट चाहिँ कहिलेदेखि चलाउनु भएको तपाईँहरूले?
हाम्रो चाहिँ एक्चुअली अब यो भएको 2 years जस्तो हुँदैछ है. ट्राई गर्दैछ अझै पनि अब यसलाई राम्रो बेटर कि अझै बनाउनु लागि है. जति सक्छ चाहिँ अब हामीले फास्ट फुड भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ अब एकदमै अब घरको जस्तै टाइपले है, तातो तातो त्यसरी दिनु ट्राई गर्छ है. त्यसले गर्दा अलिकति कोही बेला ढिलो हुन्छ कस्टमरहरूलाई, त्यसमा केही प्रब्लम छैन, कस्टमरहरूले पर्खिदिन्छ है, कतिजनाले बुझिदिन्छ है. त्यसमा थ्याङ्क यू हो अब कस्टमरहरूलाई पनि है. त्यसरी नै अब यहाँ चिल्ड्रेन पार्कमा छ है, सप नम्बर 26 हो.
सप नम्बर 26 गाइज. यस, यो मतलब एकदमै चल्ने फुड चाहिँ एकदमै हायर डिमान्डमा चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ छ तपाईँको?
अहिले हाम्रो यहाँनिर त्यस्तो डिमान्डमा भन्दा पनि
ज्यादा मान्छेले अब सधैँ प्रिफर गर्ने चाहिँ
ज्यादातर चाहिँ अहिले यो टी मोमो आलु छ, त्यसको बादमा चाहिँ टाइफू चिकन टाइफू छ. भन्नुपर्यो सबै पाउँछ हाम्रो,
सबै पाउँछ, पाउनु चाहिँ सबै पाउँछ, तर अब हाइली डिमान्डमा चाहिँ दुईटा चाहिँ अब एकदमै मान्छेले.
हाम्रो चाहिँ टी मोमो आलु छ, टी मोमो करी छ है, त्यहाँदेखि टाइफू चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम जान्छ हाम्रो चाहिँ.
ए हुन्छ हुन्छ, थ्याङ्क यू. So guys, this is the tea momo that Taju is talking about. Can you see how pretty it is? Oh my god, it's so delicious. What?
Aloo is yum.
Aloo is yum. Yeah. Look, she's also on diet, but still she said that aloo is yum. Oh my god, can you just appreciate the look of this tea momo, guys? Oh my goodness. And it is just 60 rupees, eh? And it is just for 60 rupees, guys. Can you see the quality and the quantity of the food? So now let's dig in. Aloo first. टाइपो ट्राई गरेको छुइनँ त मैले. लास्ट टाइम पनि टी मोमो नै गरेको भन्नु थियो. ए हुन्छ, आज म खाँदै किन भन्नु न, अझ पनि लानुपर्छ खानु लागि. नेक्स्ट टाइम आउँछु नि. achar, mulako and chulpiko achar, and this is extra achar. So this is what you get in 60 rupees. So guys, this is our last piece. Yes, we're done. So guys, we are so full, and I'm still left with 370 rupees. I don't know what will I do with that now. Yeah, and I think I'll just roam around for some time, and after some time I'll just have something and I'll take you with me. How full are you? Oh,
I'm very much full.
yeah.
About to burst. My
Yeah,
stomach.
but yeah, we'll complete our challenge. Yeah.
I don't know why did I agree to tag.
It's a ST pure veg. Chili what? Chili momo. किन्नुपर्छ पहिले. I'm still left with 310 rupees.
Oh my god, I'm going to finish. Here is our chili momo. Yay! Let's dig in, and it is only 60 rupees, guys. It's a veg chili momo. Let's try it. Oh, look.
How am I looking? Am I looking like a boot?
Hantu.
Uncle Ramli. 1, 2.
Sino ba yung bro?
Ang mau dami. Mitho. Too good, guys. It's too good.
God. Unsteady.
Nami,
Too much chili sauce.
too much chili sauce. But I like it. What mother tongue this one? Guys, this fast food is in 3rd floor. गर्दा म चाहिँ एकछिन गर्न एकछिन हो देख्दैनौ यसो गरेर गर्न रुपिस we spend in our water. So now I'm left with 290 rupees. 290 rupees, yeah. This is Lal Bazaar, and the only proper street food that we have in Gangtok is this, which is just opposite of this Danjong Cinema Hall. This is Danjong Cinema Hall, and this is the place. You can come here, and can you see? And you can get aloo chura, something here and something here. So we'll try something from here today. They have pork momo, beef wale, veg momo, and the beef momo is 80 rupees. And bof momo is also 80 rupees, and there are people already eating. यो चाहिँ बिफको मोमो
नहीं एक डबल बताइए
ए होइन म त
ये चाहिँ पर्क हो
कुन चाहिँ खाने पर्क और बिफ
जुन चाहिँ मन छ
बिफ बिफ पक मोमो पनि देखाइदिनुहोस् न पक मोमो जस्तै पर्क मोमो पर्क बिफ मोमो
कुन खानुहुन्छ
अचार nice no so tasty you guys try this तब जितने भी हमने फूड खाया है दिस इज द बेस्ट गाइज आई वॉज नॉट थिंकिंग दैट आई वॉज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग इट दैट द मोमो ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीट विल बी दिस डिलिशियस इट इज 100 out of 100 it is juicy, it is properly cooked. The best part is it's so hot and the achar is so spicy.
Finger looking good. This is tired.
Yeah, must come here guys, must come.
Yeah.
Yeah, Vandana koi. How is it?
What?
How is it?
Good.
Isto gardena koi anda.
I did.
Hi guys, so we are so full and we are still left with 210 rupees and now I don't think I will be able to have anything. What about you? Will you be able to have anything?
I want to have coffee.
Yes. Yeah, so I know that this is not the street we are in Kakao right now and we just wanted to have coffee guys. I don't think I did my challenge well, but there is not much street food left as well. Only roll house is there. Use the same amount from my 500 to have coffee because we are so tired and at the same time so full and I'm already feeling so sleepy. This is what happens when you eat so much. So guys, we are having coffee. Each copy cost you 50 rupees. So I am using my 100 rupees here for the coffee. Guy, I don't know whether I have that flat tummy within 28 days or not. All this food that I'm eating so far. For 45 rupees. Which flavor is it?
Chocolate.
What?
Chocolate.
Chocolate? So hi guys, I'm just done with my challenge and I couldn't finish whole 500 rupees. So I come to know that with 500 rupees you will be full. You can have your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, everything. And yeah, you must try the places that I've tried and I have clearly mentioned all the directions and all, so you must go and try. And if you like this video, you know the drill, like don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.